Hey students, it's Mr. Fleece here, and I'm going to show you how to start your organic line project. You're going to pull out of your art kit if you have an art kit, or you're going to get one of these papers from me. It's a 9 by 12 piece of thick drawing paper, and we're going to use this for our line project. So we've been learning a lot about lines. You watched the videos about the different types of lines. We've been practicing drawing different lines. I want to show you how to start your organic line project. So we're going to pretend this is my sheet of paper, and I'm going to draw a second sheet of paper right here. When we start our organic line project, I want you to pick a point in one of the corners, and we're going to draw to the opposite corner. And I'm going to draw with my whole arm like this and make a big organic free-form line that divides my paper into two parts. This is something that I see students do, and I want you to be careful not to do this. They draw real tiny with their hand, and they're gonna wind up with small lines like this. Students, I do not want you to do that. So this is my don't, and this is the do. We wanna make sure we do the do. Then the next line that I put in is going to be like this. I'm gonna come down and get close. Go far away, come close. Get far away like that. As I add the rest of my lines to fill in the space, I'm gonna start far away, come close, get far away, come close, far away, just like that. And I'm creating sections on my paper that create an organic flow. I do not want you to do this. We want to go big. I also don't want you to go really far away like that and leave this big space. Notice how I come and I get close and I get far away, close and far away like this. So students, I want you to start your project like that, and then once you have your lines drawn, we're gonna add the blending. So you can use crayons or colored pencils for this project to blend your colors, and I'll show you what that looks like in another video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. I can't wait to see what you create. We got it. Ooh, we got it.